50 most important common English mistakes with correct forms. 1. Using I am agree. Incorrect, I am agree. Correct, I agree. 2. Using discuss about. Incorrect, we discussed about the plan. Correct, we discussed the plan. 3. Using according to me. Incorrect. According to me, this is wrong. Correct, in my opinion, this is wrong. 4. Confusing it's incorrect, it's a big problem. Correct, it's a big problem. It's it is. 5. Saying he speak English. Incorrect, he speak English. Correct, he speaks English. 6. Using more better. Incorrect, this is more better. Correct, this is better. 7. Wrong plural for uncountable nouns. Incorrect. She gave me informations. Correct. She gave me information. 8. Using I have 20 years. Incorrect. I have 20 years. Correct. I am 20 years old. 9. Saying open the light. Incorrect. Open the light. Correct. Turn on the light. 10. Wrong past of go. Incorrect. I gone to school. Correct. I went to school. 11. Using explain me. Incorrect. Explain me this. Correct. Explain this to me. 12. Mixing say, tell. Incorrect. She told that she is tired. Correct. She said that she is tired. 13. Saying I didn't went. Incorrect. I didn't went. Correct. I didn't go. 14. Overusing very, very. Incorrect. Very, very cold. Correct. Extremely cold. 15. Using I am interesting. Incorrect. I am interesting. Correct. I am interested. 16. Using in the night. Incorrect. I study in the night. Correct. I study at night. 17. Using I prefer tea than coffee. Incorrect. I prefer tea than coffee. Correct. I prefer tea to coffee. 18. Saying I am boring. Incorrect. I am boring. Correct. I am bored. 19. Wrong future with will. Incorrect. If it will rain, we will stay home. Correct. If it rains, we will stay home. 20. Saying he don't. Incorrect. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. 21. Using I didn't understood. Incorrect. I didn't understood. Correct. I didn't understand. 22. Confusing few a few. Incorrect. I have few friends. Negative meaning. Correct. I have a few friends. Positive meaning. 23. Wrong order of adjective and noun. Incorrect. A red big car. Correct. A big red car. 24. Using much with countable nouns. Incorrect. I have much books. Correct. I have many books. 25. Saying we are 5 in the family. Incorrect. We are 5 in the family. Correct. There are 5 people in my family. 26. Using I am agree with you. Incorrect. I am agree with you. Correct. I agree with you. Repeated intentionally. Common mistake. 27. Saying he is married with her. Incorrect. He is married with her. Correct. He is married to her. 28. Confusing fun, funny. Incorrect. The movie was very fun. Correct. The movie was very funny. Correct. The movie was a lot of fun. 29. Using to instead of very. Incorrect. This is too good. Correct. This is very good. To, das negative meaning. 30. Saying I am not understanding. Incorrect. I am not understanding. Correct. I don't understand. 31. Using I look forward to meet you. Incorrect. I look forward to meet you. Correct. I look forward to meeting you. 32. Saying he explained me. Incorrect. He explained me the rule. Correct. He explained the rule to me. 33. Confusing bring, take, incorrect. Bring this to school, correct, take this to school. 34. Saying he is teacher, incorrect, he is teacher, correct, he is a teacher. 35. Mixing borrow, lend, incorrect. Can you borrow me your pen? Correct, can you lend me your pen? 36. Wrong preposition. Married with, incorrect, she is married with a doctor. Correct, she is married to a doctor. 37. Using do a mistake, incorrect, I did a mistake. Correct, I made a mistake. 38. Wrong question, structure incorrect, you are coming, correct, are you coming? 39. Using I didn't saw, incorrect, I didn't saw him. Correct, I didn't see him. 40. Confusing another, other, incorrect. Give me the another book. Correct, give me the other book. Correct, give me another book. 41. Using used to incorrectly. Incorrect, I am used to wake up early. Correct, I am used to waking up early. 42. Saying more easier. Incorrect, this is more easier. Correct, this is easier. 43. Using many with uncountable nouns. Incorrect, many money. Correct, much money. 44. Wrong placement of adverbs. Incorrect, I drink always tea. Correct, I always drink tea. 45. Using so much for everything. Incorrect, I am so much happy. Correct, I am very happy. 46. Using I didn't know that why. Incorrect, I didn't know that why he left. Correct, I didn't know why he left. 47. Saying I am going to home. Incorrect, I am going to home. Correct, I am going home. 48. Using I have a news. Incorrect, I have a news. Correct, I have news. Correct, I have a piece of news. 49. Saying I will tell to you. Incorrect, I will tell to you. Correct, I will tell you. 50. Using he is my cousin brother. Incorrect, he is my cousin brother. Correct, he is my cousin. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious and continue learning about the most common mistake. And please like, subscribe, and leave comment to help us make more useful video.